Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to cap and uncap frame rate in CS2. Make sure to watch till the end so you understand every step. First, enable the Counter-Strike Developer Console in your CS2 settings. Navigate to the Game sections in-game and enable the Developer Console to access commands and enhance your gaming experience. The Developer Console is now available in the game and can be accessed by pressing the title key above the tab and below the escape key, or change the keyboard key in your settings to open it in your CS2 settings. To preview your current frame rate, use csgo FPS2 in the Developer Console. In the game menu, it might only be 60 frames per second. And cap with FPS 0 while in the match. Inserting is not limited by the game. Players should limit frame rate to monitor refresh rates or higher. For 60 Hz refresh rate, set 80. For 144 Hz monitor, 160. Adjust FPS cap to suit your setup. That's all for now, everyone. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.